Good morning, Pathway Finders. So we are in St Agnes Holiday Park. It's 3 miles outside of St Agnes, so we've got a fair old walk along a cycle track today. Didn't film yesterday when we arrived because, yep, you guessed it, we had that sea mist again. So I'm going to take you on a quick campsite tour now. It's an AMPR barrier, so you've got to give your registration prior to you coming in. We've got reception. Dog exercise area. Some of the extra little touches here. They've got little paw prints just in there. It's a very clean site, nice and tidy. So it's a nice quiet little site, which you've got optional hot tubs in some of these caravans. Our pitch is £30 a night, fully serviced. You've got water and electric. It's all nice and level as well. Nice showers. Very nice showers. So they have a gym in here as well, but I can't show that because it's absolutely heaving full. So, but you can join this gym for £15 for the weekend if you're here. I think we'll pass on that one though. A little children's play park there as well. And here we go. Here's our pitch. And somewhere in here we have the two pooches. There they are. Hello, doggy. Hey, Fudge. Oh. No. So that's the bridge to Truro. And we're going over here. Right, just for anyone's information, those lights don't beep. They just turn red and the little man turns green and you get to walk. There we go. Quiet lane. Right, 20 minutes into the walk and we're lost. We've just walked up a hill and it's brought us out to the main road where there's no path. We're now heading back down the hill and hopefully pick up the unsignposted path in towards St Agnes. Right, so we've got St Agnes 1.5 miles, Chiverton 2 miles, we've done more than that, and Goombell 1/2 mile up this way. So we are going this way because we've got Apple Maps on and it's saying this is a more direct route. Lesson is, don't come on this trail because it's so confusing and there's a complete lack of signs until you least need them, and then they give you the most confusing mileages possible. Well, it's now a hotel. What was it?
4.41.
What, miles?
Yes.
And it should have been what?
3.
So it's taken 1 hour and 35 minutes, but the first destination of the day is here. Look at that. I think that's the beer garden over there to the left. Nice outdoor garden here. There's a dog under here, and another one. It's sunning itself. Nice cakes. Wow, look at that. Blueberry and lemon cake. Carrot cake there. And pasties. Cornish farm shop. And there's the Bearded Brewery just over there, which is cider spirits. Free cider and rum tasting. Okay. Little gallery over there. And there's the little shop. Yeah. Alright.
I just want to say, I really like that one.
Welcome to Cornwall at those prices. Ka-ching. It's the parish church. Where that car's going is where we're going. This is the next one. Let's see, is there a beer garden around there?
What's that? One of those people?
That's a tapasy bar, I think. Is that? Oh, that's for the pub as well. Oh, yeah. Offshore and stuff. Nice. Oops, this way down. So we've had a wander down through St Agnes. Might stop at the St Agnes Hotel on the way back. But we're now at the Peterville Inn. So a pint of Madry and a gin and tonic is $12.60. Found a nice little sun trap. Sat out on the decking, doing a bit of people watching. It's nice to have some sunshine. So the Chinese here as well. This is like a little, we've got a surf shop there. I don't know what that is. It's like a little square sort of thing. I think you've got like a little tap housey thing here, which is really busy. £10 lunch menu. So the pub there, which we were in the other day. And we've got a nice little design shop. And a beer garden. Yeah. Fourth tower and 3 3/4. Yeah, look, Trevornance Cove. Come on. And that was Trevornance Cove, so a little bit different to what we saw the other day when we were doing the walk from St Agnes around to Portreath. We've still got another hour down there till high tide. So yeah, if you fancy it, pop down and yeah, have a look. So yeah, some great views, especially on a day like this. Right, so we are in the Driftwood Spas beer garden. Got probably about an hour till the bus. It's a 20-minute walk. What? It's a 20-minute walk uphill. Got this, yeah. Again though, St Agnes is a weird village. Very long and thin. Quite a lot of places to visit and see and stop off at. And then we've got the beach, which there is a beach when the sand is out, or the tide is out rather. Whereas you saw there, high tide, and there's nothing, but very popular with surfers. Right, they've also got their own brewery here, which is some of the beers that they do. And then yeah, this is this little shop. And the pub, which is absolutely huge. They do rooms as well. Right, we're now walking up out of Javon's Cove, and we're going to hang a right in a minute and walk through a little bit of a shortcut back up into St Agnes village, and then catch the bus to the Chiverton Arms for some food. Still really, really hot.
There's nothing up there. No.
Table over there. Right, so we're outside the St Agnes Hotel. We've walked up from the Driftwood Spas just to catch the bus. The bus is 45 minutes late, so no change there. Thank you very much, Transport for Cornwall. So this is the local butchers. They were doing like, well, there we go, so 4 pork steaks for £5. And they were doing 2 pork tenderloin for £9. They were also doing like 2 sirloin steaks for a tenner. I'll just leave that alone. And then you've got this little deli place just here. They've got like smoky chili nuts if you want them. I'm not quite sure I would like smoky chili nuts, but there we are. If you want them, leave a comment, like, and don't subscribe. But look at this, behind me there is a fish and chip shop with a Barclays cash point machine behind. That's very rare. That one there, literally right there. There we go. So St Agnes, we're probably sat or stood on shitloads of mines. And there's another one stack just there as well. So lots of mining heritage. Again, I've already read the books. I could have probably told you all about it, but I haven't. So there we are. That's a nod to Gone Hiking. Right, so that's the Old Miners and Mechanics Institute there. There's a private function going on at the moment. There's a wedding. And we are still waiting for Transport for Cornwall. So it's about 10 minutes away now. The bus is in Perranporth. But yeah, we want to catch this bus back. We don't fancy another like 4-mile walk. Dogs are going to get fed in a minute. We're going to aim for the Chiverton Arms, which will show you around. The food menu that we looked at yesterday looked absolutely outstanding as well. So, but it has got a lot to live up to, considering we've had some good food at St Just and in Crantock over the last couple of weeks. But yeah, it's been a great day. As I said, it's just been a bit of a chilling day really. But yeah, all good. All is good. All is good. And the dogs are quite happy at the moment. If you can see them down there. Right, we're on the bus. About 35 minutes late, but you know, good old brought Mrs. Jones out for a candlelit dinner. Just look at this. It does.
How you doing?
Okay. Light.
It's not like you to leave an onion ring.
No, I know, I am full. Right, there we are, the Chiverton Arms. Food was okay. Not as good as the not as good as the Cornishman a couple of weeks ago in the Crantock, but you know, it's still filled a hole. Very nice hospitality. Beer was good. Very much worth a visit. And I think if anything else I should do is probably try and offer it out to motorhomes for £10 a night stay with us. But yeah, the temperature's dropping now. Sun's still quite high in the sky. But yeah, we're making our way back to the campsite. Right, this is the dog or pet exercise area. It's quite a nice little area. Dogs are running around, or they were, but they've now stopped. They've already done 7 miles today, but they are still going. Second wind. Right, there we are, Pathway Finders. So the showers in this place are great, clean, loads of space, which is ideal. And that's pretty much a wrap. So we're just gonna pack up in a sec and then head off home. St Agnes. Definitely worth a visit. This site is brilliant. A little bit out of the way. If you're prepared to walk, then all is good. So other than that, sky's blue. Gonna go and enjoy the rest of the day. Squeeze you all soon, folks. Cheers.